Unraveling the meaning of farm out in English. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore an interesting phrase in English, farm out. This phrase might bring to mind images of agriculture, but it actually has a different meaning when used as an idiom. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and learn how to use farm out in everyday conversation, keep watching. The phrase, farm out, is an idiomatic expression that has nothing to do with actual farming. To farm out means to delegate or outsource work or responsibilities to someone else, often to people outside of the original organization or group. It can be used in both a professional and informal context. For example, a company might farm out graphic design work to a freelance artist, or you might farm out the task of organizing a family reunion to different family members. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember how to use them correctly. The term, farm out, originates from the practice of a landowner delegating the responsibility of tending their land to other individuals. The landowner still owned the land but handed over the day-to-day work to someone else, often for a share of the profits. To get a good grasp of how farm out is used, let's look at a few examples. The IT company decided to farm out their customer service to a call center in another country. With the wedding coming up, I farmed out the decoration tasks to my cousins. The government farmed out the construction of the new highway to various contractors. If you want to use other words with a similar meaning to farm out, consider these synonyms: outsource, delegate, subcontract, assign. Each of these words can be used in a similar context, but remember that subtle nuances in their connotations can make them more or less suitable depending on the situation. And that's a wrap on the phrase, farm out. Remember, it's all about delegating tasks to others. I hope this video has been enlightening and that you feel more confident using this expression in your English conversations. If you enjoyed learning about farm out, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more language tips. Happy learning!